Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be having a look at a knife from Kizer with a massive blade and a massive personality. This is the Sheepdog. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase the Sheepdog, make sure you check out the link in the description below. As always, guys, let's begin with the size reference. So here is a large permanent marker. And we're going to get a better idea for just how big this blade is. Look how far it sticks up over the top compared to that permanent marker. Alright, let's do it with the blade open. Alright, definitely longer than that. And again, pay special attention to the width of the grip compared to the marker. Let's take a measurement with the blade closed, and you can see here it's just about 4.5 inches long with the blade closed. And from the tip of the blade to the ending of the handle, I call it just about 7 3/4 long. Alright, let's have a look at the thickness of this knife here. So we'll bring in a pair of chopsticks. Here is the thicker side, here is the thinner side. And I think it might be a little bit thinner. Yeah, have a look at that. Maybe it's the same size, but it looks to me like it's a little bit thinner than the thicker side of a pair of chopsticks. And just to give you another size reference, here is an Ontario Rat 1. This is about an average size for an EDC knife. Here it is next to the Sheepdog. We can see just how much that blade sticks up over the top. Alright, let's get you a weight reference on the Sheepdog, coming in at 4.4 ounces, and that weighs almost as much as 5 AAA batteries. Let's have a look at the spine of the knife. Close-up of the jimping. Not aggressive at all. Let me turn that sideways so you can see the pattern there. And we notice this swedge here because the knife's spine ends up thick and gets thinner down here toward the ending. So that looks like it goes to about a 2/4 thickness. Yeah, just about a 2/4 thickness there, down to about a 1/4 here. Alright, this is a Sheepsfoot blade. Black stonewash finish. You don't have to worry about getting blinded by glare in the sunlight. And man, is there a lot of personality on this blade. So we have this first swedge up here that makes the first shoulder. Second swedge up here that meets to make a second shoulder. And this nasty cutout here. And look at the mug on that thing. That is an angry looking blade right there. There's a look at it from the front. That is a very upset looking blade, folks. We have a flat grind right up to that first shoulder, which means there's no curvature there. It's going to be very easy to sharpen and maintain. Good strength right behind this edge. Great for all types of cutting. And we also have a sharpening choil right down here, so it's very easy to sharpen that knife from the tip all the way down to the base of the blade. Alright, let's have a look at the opening mechanism here, and it is a giant thumb hole. So you just jam your thumb in here and rotate it around. This is a liner lock. Right down there. To release the blade, you just move that lever on the side. Very easy to close with one hand. It's also very easy to flick it open, and when you do that, you really can feel the smoothness of this bearing system on the pivot. Alright, this particular model of the Sheepdog has 154 cm steel made by Crucible Steels, and if you don't know that company, they are making some of the best powdered steel out there. 154 cm has about 15% chromium, which means that it's going to have really good corrosion resistance. 4% molybdenum, you're going to get great edge retention, very easy to sharpen, and very easy to maintain. Alright, when the Sheepdog is open, it is easy to be distracted by this massive blade in the front, but I'm telling you guys right now, the beauty of this knife are these beautiful milled micarta handles. Look at this wood grain micarta. And look at the shape here. It's meant to curve into your hand. Just melts in there. It just feels natural. Right, micarta feels good. It's got that nice cloth feel. It's going to feel even better when it gets wet. It doesn't get slippery. Let me turn this around so you guys can see how the lining is actually set inside of the micarta. Right, it's not just stacked on top of it. It's down in there. Right, the liners also have skeletonization. You can see these circles on the inside cut there to help relieve some of the weight on the knife itself. And man, does it feel good in the hand. Alright, this particular Sheepdog has black hardware, torque screws. You You can take this apart, clean it, and lubricate it if you want. There's a look at the pocket clip. Not reversible to the other side. Tip-up carry only. Alright, let's have a look at what your sheepdog is going to look like when you cram it in your pocket. Holy cow, that thing disappears. It goes all the way up to your pocket. That is a deep carry pocket clip. Stealthy. Once again, guys, this has been the Sheepdog by Kizer Knives. If you're looking for an everyday carry knife with a larger blade, really beautiful micarta handles with a smooth opening action, this might be the blade for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase the Sheepdog, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.